Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Andrea and today I am back to do another unboxing for you guys. So I'm really excited to show you guys these beauties that I've got from Christian Dior. The two bags here are just freebies because I'm already obviously a VIP. So I'm very lucky to have this freebies in my collection. So the first, I think I've got two serum and two foundation, and I think they're really quite handy, especially when you go traveling. So that's the first one, and the second one that I'm really happy about is hot cosmetic bags. I really love it because I can actually use this one as a clutch like so, or as a top handle bag. And I really love the Christian Dior logo on the front with the quilting on it, and it's got a full mirror inside, and this is quite really spacious. As you could see, there you are, the star of the day. So this is what I've got, and this is a limited edition from the 2021 Christian Dior holiday collection. So, and inside, this is the item that I've got. This I purchased this one for £156. To reveal is this. Ta-da! So I've got the Rouge Dior Minaudiere. Minaudiere. And this is my first time to open it. I'm really excited. Just open this bad boy right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, you guys! This is so pretty. This is my first time to see this in person. So it comes with this velvet dust bag. This is the velvet dust bag, and inside comes with this little box packaging with the chain. Let me just show you guys the chain. Oh wow, the chain looks really nice and expensive to me. That's the chain. And then this is just the dust bag with the CD logo on the front. And to reveal the item is this lipstick case. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Look at this one. Oh wow. So this is how the front looks like with the Christian Dior logo, and I think the design comes with this iconic mountain address of Christian Dior. And on the sides you could see there's the Christian Dior logo designed as a D-ring, and on the sides as well it comes with a D-ring clasp which is designed as Christian Dior. And when you open the item, oh my god, it is literally so cute. Open that. It comes with 3 refill lipstick, and it's got a mirror, and then this one is a lipstick holder. I think this is how you take them off. Oh my god, I can't take it off. There you are. I managed to take it off, and inside it's got 1 full lipstick, refillable lipstick. Wait a minute. Now there you are. Now it's back, and you can actually use this one as a now to put it back. So to put it back, you just have to slide it in like so. There you are. And now I can use this one. It's really functional, multifunctional. You can use this one as a clutch. You can use this one as crossbody bag or as a clutch when you go for party. So, oh my god, how cute is that? See? I really love it. I really love it. So there you are, you guys. It's multifunctional. I'm really happy with this item. And actually can take this one off and just use this one as a necklace. And yeah, can rock this one anytime for a party like so. Let's just show you guys. And this one, actually, you can use this one on its own as a necklace. Good. Can use this one as a necklace like so. And now, maybe I can just open it like that. So the first one in here is this 658 red pansy. And then the second swatch, I've got pink rose in satin. Pink rose in satin. Pink rose in satin. It's not picking up. I know the third one from the refill is this. This is really pretty. Sparkling penny. There you are. In red. And then the last but not the least is this winter puppy. There you are. I'm quite happy with this. Let's just put it back together. And, you know. So there you are, you guys. I've just placed it inside this velvet dust bag for storage. Now let me just try one lipstick. Let me see. And just tap it off with my lipstick. So I'm using this 873. Oh wow. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness me. It's very soft. Blends like a dream. Love it. Love it. There you are, you guys. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Suits me well, I think. Thank you.